Oh, hello guys. Welcome back again, guys. It's me, the guru himself, the best in mislead, guys. If you're watching this channel for the first time, make sure that you subscribe, you like, and then you comment and you share on my videos, guys, with people that are going to be useful for them, guys. So I'm back here with part 4 of the Limpopo September 2023 mathematical literacy examinations. Okay, so without any waste of time, let's go and look at what part 4 has, which is question number 4, what it has for us. Okay, so here we are, we've jumped into question number 4. Let's see what question 4 has for us. Oh, I see taxation there. Oh, my favorite. When I see this, I know that I have marks. So okay, Leon, age 75 and an annual income of 1,225,000 for the financial year ending on the 28th of Feb 2023. He contributes 7.5% of his annual income toward pension fund. He donated 100,000 to his neighboring school. Therefore, we have the taxable income. We have that table. We have the rebates as well. So that's what we need, and we'll see what our information, our questions want us to calculate. 411. Determine the amount Leon contributes toward pension fund. Oh, okay. Pension fund, they told us that is 7.5%. And they have told us that he earns an amount of 1,225,000. 1,225,000. So we're going to multiply this by 7.5 over 100. 1,225,000 multiplied by 7.5 over 100. And it gives me that Leon contribute 875 rand toward the pension fund. 412, it says calculate. You see, guys, with this paper, I'm telling you, the quality is very low because it's straightforward. It follows the context of the textbook. But when you talk about the final year examination, it doesn't follow the context. It links with the reality. It links with our daily lives. You understand? So this paper is, I don't know. Okay. We need to calculate the taxable income. So okay, how do we calculate the taxable income? Taxable income is equals to gross income minus non-taxable income. And then how much is our gross income? Our gross income is 1,225,000 minus, I'm going to open a bracket because I saw two non-taxable income, which is the pension fund and the donation. So our pension fund here and is an annual is 91,875. Then we add our donation of 100,000 because he makes that once. So we're just gonna do that straight away. So we can say we can just press it in the calculator. 1,225,123 minus, open a bracket, 91,875 plus 100,000. We close the brackets, and then that gives me an amount of 1,033,125. That is the amount that he pay. That is Leon taxable income. So number 4, calculate the amount of annual tax Leon must pay for the 2022-2023 tax year. Okay, we have calculated the taxable income, meaning that we can identify the tax bracket. Remember, then the taxable income of Leon is 1,033,000. So let's go and check where it falls. Is it between here? No. 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 Is it between here? Yes. Which is bracket number? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, we're gonna go with tax bracket 6. Then after doing that, we go and check the rate of tax. When I'm talking about the rate of tax, I'm talking about this. the rate of tax for bracket number 6. What does it say? I'm just gonna do this. It says 239,452 plus 41% of, you rewrite everything the way it is. Taxable income above what? 817,600. Then now our next step is to substitute. We're gonna still have 239,452 plus. I change this into a decimal, which becomes 0.41. I open a bracket because of the off. Then I'm going to look at my taxable income. My taxable income was 1,033,125. That was my taxable income. The word above, now I'm going to put a minus. I put a minus. Then I'm going to rewrite this the way it is. 817,600. Now I have substituted. Now I can deal with the numbers. So on your calculator now we can say 1,033,125, okay, minus 817,600, which give us 215,525. Let me recheck again. 1,033,125. Okay, that is correct. Then after getting that 215,525, I multiply that by 0.41. So it gives me, okay, so it so meaning that now I'm gonna have two. I knew it. This computer doesn't disappoint. Always makes these things. Don't know what's wrong with it. Okay, so it's back now. It's gonna be 239,452 plus, remember I have solved this on a calculator, so you can just say 0.41, open a bracket, 1,033,125 minus this, you will get 88,000. Okay, let me try to move up so that I don't step down there. 88,365,25. Then let's see how much is it when we add the 2,339,452 is equals to, it gives me 327,000. 327,817,25. Therefore, now we have seen that how old is Leon? I think Leon was 70 something years. Yeah, Leon is 75. So which rebate is he qualifying for? 75 is here. So remember, if a person is here, automatically that person qualifies for primary and secondary. So this person now qualifies for 3 rebates. So we're going to subtract all of those rebates. So we're going to subtract 16,425 minus 9,000. Remember, the rebates, they are what we call a tax reliefs. And a rebate is a must. It's always there. What is not always there is the medical aid credit. That one, it depends if you are given or not given. 16,425 minus 9,000 minus 2,997, and that gives me an amount of 299,395.25. There we have it. Oh, let's go to number 4.2. Leon needs Betty sells lunch packs for extra money. It cost her 55 rand. Let me just underline that one. To make one lunch pack, Table 5 shows the cost price and the income received from 60 lunch pack. Okay, so a number of lunch packs we have 0. At 0, the cost price in rent is 300, the income is 0. With 10, 850, 700. So let's go to the equation. Determine the selling price of one lunch pack. So we don't have the selling price, but we are told that if we have sold 10 lunch packs, we're going to receive 700. So how can we do that? It means we're going to take this 700 and divide it by 10 to see how much was one lunch pack. 700 divided by 10, and then we get 70 rand. It means one lunch pack is 70 rand. Write down the equation that can be used to calculate the cost of the lunch pack. Okay, the cost, how can we calculate the cost? We are told that there is what? Look at this, 300. Even if the number of lunch pack is 0, you're still going to pay what? 300. So this 300, it is there as a fixed cost. Plus, remember in the income and expenditure, the total cost is equals to the fixed cost plus the variable cost. Okay, so what are we going to add here? We're going to add our variable cost. So our variable cost is what? Is 55 rand per lunch pack. What can I write? Okay, let me write number of lunch packs. Yeah, number of lunch pack. Then that is the formula there. Okay, then they say the graph on the annexure sheet shows the total income received from selling 100 lunch packs. Use table 5 to draw the same answer sheet, and use table 5 to draw on the same answer sheet another graph representing the cost for making the lunch pack. So now we need to draw the graph of the lunch pack. So before we go there, what is important is this: the first, the break even, and the last. You see, the break even is 1,400 for 20, then this is 60 for 360, 0 for 300. Let's go to it. So here we are. So we know that where is the 300? Oh, this one. It goes with 500 and stuff. Yo. Where is 20? People from Limpopo, what are you doing, me, man? Lindsay. Yo, this graph, okay? If I check, 300 is gonna be, this is going to be 250, is in the middle. So 300 can just be somewhere here. And let's go and look 60. The last point, 60 and 3,000. What am I doing? Oh, I know, let me just go back here. 60 and, how much was that one? 60 and 3,600. So I've seen 60 here. I think this goes like what, ma? I see, okay, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Okay, 60 is here. Then let's go and look for 3,500. 3,600. So if you look here, is 1,000, 1,005, 2,000. Yeah. This graph is not clear, man. It's not clear. I don't even see. Okay, but I see 500, 1,000, 1,005. This will be 2,000, 2,005, 3,000, 3,005, then 4,000. So if we're looking at, if this is 3,000, wait, where was this? That 3,000. If this is 3,500, it means 3,600 can be somewhere here, just above this line. It can be here. Then let's go and look for the break-even point. The break-even point was at 20 units, and 20 units, and how much? Let's go back. How much? I want that price there. I think it was 1,400. Yeah, 1,400. And 1,400 cannot be seen. Oh, okay, 20, 1,400. Okay, 1,500 is above here. So 1,400 is, yeah, somewhere here. So guys, this is what you're going to do. You take your ruler and align this. Just make sure that your ruler, you draw a straight line. Mine is not going to be that straight, but I'm gonna try. You draw a straight line between these 3 points. Voila, then you have your cost. This is your income. Then you get your marks. Oh, okay, all right. Let's continue. We have done that. Then now they say, calculate the amount of profit Betty will make from the sale of 100 lunch pack if the income received is this. Okay, remember profit, I'm just going to write it here. Profit is equals to income minus the cost. We have the income, which is 7,000. Then how much is our cost? We need to go and calculate. The formula there, it says 300 plus 55 multiplied by the number of packs. Then the number of lunch packs, we having 100. So it's going to be 300 plus 100 times 55 is 5,500. 5,500. So it's going to be 5,800. So we're going to subtract 5,800, which is equals to 7,000 minus 5,800. Then the profit there is 1,200. Okay, then we continue. We go to 4.3. So in 4.3 they say Betty will include a soda in a lunch pack to help her decide which soda she must put in the lunch packs. She studied the available data for 3 most popular drinks sold in her neighborhood. The box and whisker plot in the annexure D shows the number of drinks sold on the particular Monday. Let's go and look for that. There is the box and whisker there. Okay, starting to read now. Okay, now let's go and look for the first question. The first question says, write down the 75 percentile of orange juice drink. Let's go to orange juice. We need the 75. So I want to name something. I want to do something for you guys. Very clear. This is the minimum. This is Q1. This is Q2. This is Q3. This is maximum. But on the other note, this is 50%. I start here. That's quartile 2. This is 25%. This is what? 75%. This is 100%. This is 0%. It starts here. So which one is the 75? The 75 is quartile number 3. So let's check here. You see, we have 400, we have 500. We need to check the numbers in between. So if we say, okay, this is 420, 440. Okay, let's add 20, 20, 20. 420, 440, 460, 480. Then it agrees. It agrees. So, but when you look at this, it's in between here. It's between 440 and 460, and you see that it's in the middle. So what is that? That is 450. Then they say 4.3.2. They say calculate the interquartile range for the cola drink IQR. Okay, so IQR, we know that is Q3 minus Q1. So let's go for look for those quartiles for this one. Let's look at quartile number 3 first. Quartile number 3 is here, and then quartile number 1 is here. Okay, so we can see that it is in between here. It is in between, exactly in between. But in between what? Look, we have 300 and 400. So we know that we have 320, 340, 360, 380. So that quartile 3 is between 340 and 360. It means quartile 3 is, our quartile 3 is 350. Our quartile 3 is 350. Then let's go and look at quartile number 1. So quartile number 1 is also in between, but in between what? In between what? Let's go and check. 120, 140, 160, 180. So it is between 160 and 180, meaning that that is 170. So our quartile 1 is 170. So how much is going to be our interquartile range? Our interquartile range is going to be 350 minus 170, which is equals to 18. There we have it. Okay, guys, this comes to the end of part 4 of the Limpopo September 2023 examination. Okay, watch out for paper. Go and watch our part 5, which will be the last part for Limpopo September 2023 mathematical literacy paper 1 examination. Okay, so good luck.